I found a lizard in my home. I saw him creeping all alone. He was running in the walls. I thought that lizard was gone. Lizard, 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 lizard. I thought that lizard was gone. Lizard, 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 lizard.
Hey, 38 on the scales, go get swole, train the tread, pumping in the shed. Bark twice, stay fed. Hoes get chose, but they gotta go to bread, dark type in the lead. 1, 2, 3, 4, count it down for the pack. Gotta pay for the fee. If you ain't bought a ticket, then you might not make it back. Doing rips and ships, still pulling in the whips. Only dealing in legit for the trip. Taking risks, ripping wrists for the split. Get the flick, only doing one for one. Got a bag of bad bitch if you wanna get a hit, huh? If you got a bad vibe, better hide before you catch a big claw right between your eyes. You ain't seen these kind of eyes. A big pussy bitch right before he dies. Damn, what a booth, big booth. What about the booth? Big booth, big booth. What a booth, big booth. What about the booth? Big booth, big booth. What a booth, big booth. What about the booth? Big booth, big booth. Just saw him leaving the building, heading right toward my door. I know that he wants to ship me, cause we got them packs galore. Rips and ships right to your front door. On that Poke OnlyFans. Who about the Pokemon card? Poke Bandit ripping bands. Might pull up a secret rare, I just need one. Or maybe a rainbow rare. You know I need some. Where the booth at? I'm just tryna see some. Pulling all of them full art. We can go on and on. On and on, on and on, and on. Get into the go, watch me shine.
If I could change one thing, wish that we had never seen it. Cause it could never be unseen and now I need it. See, it was never about the cards or the deck. It was always the open of the packs and that feeling that I get. It's an art, how you peel back the layers of the back. Then you flip the cards back and reveal them all. I swear to God, when I was 12, that's all I cared about. The shining card, but never gonna be available. We lose it every day and they cannot resuscitate it all. If I could give it CPR, then I would save it all. Bring it back to life, but it would not be very favorable. It's something you can't do, it's extinct, it's irreplaceable. They try to duplicate it and they fail, it's untraceable. They'll never be the same no matter what you try to make it for. I say it once again, the shining cardboard ain't available. And soon it'll be gone and then we'll never have a place to go. Every day the lights getting dimmer, it's pitiful. It ain't gonna be a thing to deliver. People used to say they wish they could do it forever, but now it's hard to find a shiny card. It's getting hard to remember. Once upon a time they used to give them out. People used to take them home, but that was long ago. The shining cardboard ain't available. It'll disappear like it was magic. It was unexplainable. A shiny card like a wild Pokemon untrainable.